So problem number 1, what is the resulting pressure when 1 pound of air at 15 psia and 200 degree Fahrenheit is heated at constant volume to 800 degree Fahrenheit? So letter A, 15 psia, letter B, 28.64 psia, letter C, 36.4 psia, and letter D is 52.1 psia. So solution para dito. So recall lang natin yung ating general gas equation. We have pressure at 0.1 times the volume at 0.1 all over the temperature at 0.1 is equal to the pressure at 0.2 multiplied by the volume at 0.2 all over the absolute temperature at 0.2. So dito sa problem na to guys, constant volume sabi. So pag constant ng volume, meaning V1 is equals to V2. So ano mangyayari dito sa dalawang V sa magkabilang side? Magka-cancel out sila. So matitira sa'yo na equation is P1 over T1 is equals to P2 over T2. So may mga binigay naman dyan na values. So substitute lang natin guys. So resulting pressure ang hinihingi. So meaning ito ay P sub 2. So pressure at 0.2. Meron kang P sub 1 na 15 psia. So substitute natin siya. So 15 psia all over T sub 1, which is absolute temperature at 0.1. So nandyan is 200 degree Fahrenheit. So 200 degree Fahrenheit. So para maging absolute, lagyan natin ng 460 para maging Rankine. So equals to the pressure at 0.2 over the temperature at 0.2 na naka-absolute. So 800 degree Fahrenheit plus 460. So shift solve natin sa calcu, or pwede namang manumanuhin kung gusto natin. So magiging kasagutan natin dyan guys is 28.64 psia. So makikita natin siya sa letter B. Ito po ang ating final answer. Sagot natin ay letter B. So we proceed to problem number 2. So problem number 2, nitrogen is expanded isentropically. Its temperature changes from 620 degree Fahrenheit to 60 degree Fahrenheit. So find the pressure ratio P1 over P2. Binigay na guys yung condition. So there are 4 choices again. Letter A 0.08, letter B 12.9, letter C 26.2, and letter D is 3,547. So solution for this, expanded isentropically. So ano bang formula kapag isentropically? So hinihingi is pressure ratio. So meron tayong formula in terms of isentropic process. So alam naman natin na kapag isentropic, meaning the entropy at 0.1 is equals to the entropy at 0.2. So S1 is equals to S2, or S sub 1 is equals to S sub 2. So meron tayong formula na T1 over T2. So parehas absolute temperature yung mga yan, kaya malaking T is equals to P1 over P2. So raised to K minus 1 over K. In other words, kapag kakabisaduhin natin siya sa pamagitan ng coding, ang basa natin dito ay T2 pepito kick. Okay? So sulat ko dito. So T2 pepito kick. So yan po yung keyword or mnemonics na tinatandaan para mas madaling makabisado itong equation na to. Okay, under isentropic process. So T2 pepito kick. So sige, proceed tayo. So since gagamitin natin to guys na condition na to, so syempre substitute natin ngayon yung mga values na binigay. So T sub 1 is absolute temperature at 0.1. Meron tayo dyan na 620 degree Fahrenheit. So again, mag plus 460 ka para maging Rankine yan. And then, T sub 2 natin is 60 degree Fahrenheit. So mag plus 460 ka ulit. Is equals to P sub 1 over P sub 2. Ang hinihingi guys is pressure ratio. So meaning to say, eto na yon. Yung P sub 1 over P sub 2, yan yung unknown natin. So enclose lang natin siya sa parenthesis. And then raise to K minus 1 over K. Ang tanong, ano yung K ng nitrogen? So tandaan guys, ang K ng nitrogen is 1.399. Or kapag niround off mo yan, yan ay 1.4. Okay, so ang gagamitin dito is 1.4, yung K natin, minus 1 over 1.4. So therefore, as you solve for this using your calculators, so P sub 1 over P sub 2, o yung ating pressure ratio, is, makakuha natin dyan is 12.9 or 12.91. So unitless siya kasi ratio siya. Pressure ratio. So problem number 3, air expanded adiabatically from an initial pressure of 31,026 kilopascals to a final absolute temperature of 1,705 psi. If the initial temperature of the air is 600 degree Rankine, calculate its final temperature in Kelvin. So there are 4 choices again. So solution here. So again, pag sinabing adiabatically, so adiabatically, ito ay perfectly insulated. So meaning to say, it is under the process of isentropic. Okay? So isentropic, alam naman natin, meron tayong equation sa isentropic process natin na again, T2 PP2 kick. Okay? So pwede natin pagpalitin yung denominator and numerator ng ating temperature and pressure. So meaning to say, pwede siyang maging T sub 2 over T sub 1. So para sa absolute temperature is equals to P sub 2 over P sub 1 raised to K minus 1 all over K pa rin. Ang nagkapalit lang yung ating temperature and pressure, yung pwestuhan ng numerator and denominator. So sige, solve natin. So bakit natin ginawa yung pagbabaliktad ng numerator and denominator? Para pag in-input natin sa cycle, mas mabilis mag-process yung sagot. Kasi pag in-input mo mismo to, pwede naman ito. Nga lang, medyo matatagalan yung cycle mo na mag-process. Pwedeng maglumabas pa na sagot dyan ay timeout or syntax error kapag may namali ka pang pindot or can't solve, hindi daw niya ma-solve. So dapat tulungan natin sa cycle natin na makapag-solve na maayos. So pagpalitin na natin yung pwesto ng temperature and pressure, yung numerator and denominator nila. Okay? So dito may binigay na temperature at point 1. So hiningi is final temperature, so T sub 2 over yung T sub 1 natin is 600 degree Rankine. So naka absolute na yan, so wala nang problema dyan. Equals to P sub 2 natin. So yung P sub 2 natin is 1,700 PSI. So si PSI convert natin into kilopascals. So sa ating special conversion, we have 101.325 kilopascals sa kada 14.7 PSI na pressure. Okay? So mangyari dyan, yan yung ating numerator, mag-cancel na to, yung PSI na to. So magiging kilopascal na yung numerator mo. And then yung ibaba mo, yun na yung ating pressure at point 1. So yun na yung 31,026 kilopascals. So therefore, cancel out kilopascals. Matitira sa'yo na unit is naka-Rankine. So for your T sub 2, lalabas sa'yo na sagot ay 454.67. So naka-Rankine pa siya. So 454.67 Rankine. So ang hiningi kasi is naka-Kelvin. So nakita nyo naman sa problem. So i-convert natin. So para maging Kelvin siya, ang gagawin mo dyan is 454.67 Rankine, divide mo lang sa 1.8. So, yun yung ating special conversion para maging Kelvin siya. So, meron siyang R dito. Meron kang K dito. Cancel yan, cancel yan. So, T sub 2 in terms of Kelvin will be 252.6 Kelvin. So, using ko na lang yung pagkakasulat. So, ang sagot natin dyan, dito ko na lang sa taas siguro. Para, ano tayo? Para klaro sa inyo. So, dito ko na lang siya ilalagay. So, yung T sub 2 natin will be 252.60 or 252.6 Kelvin. So, this is our final answer for our problem number 3. So, we proceed to our problem number 4. So, problem number 4, a closed vessel contains air at a pressure of 160 kilonewtons per square meter gauge and temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. The air is heated at constant volume to 60 degrees Celsius with the atmospheric pressure of 759 millimeters of mercury. What is the final gauge pressure? So, we recall the formula for absolute pressure, which is atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure. So, dito sa problem na to, dapat i-consider natin na kapag sa point 1, tayo ay naka absolute pressure. So, dapat pagdating sa point 2, naka-absolute pressure din tayo. Okay? Hindi pwedeng yung isang pressure, isang side lang na pressure, yung magiging absolute and the rest is hindi na. So, sundin natin yung principle na yan and then i-apply natin sa ating solution. So, solution natin. So, since constant volume, again, balik tayo sa ating relationships ng pressure, volume, and temperature. So, P1 V1 over T1 is equals to P2 V2 over T2. V1 cancel out and V2 cancel out kasi constant volume nga tayo. So, V1 is V2 is equals to C. So, matitira na lang sa'yo is P1 over T1 is equals to P2 over T2. So, dito mo na i-apply ngayon yung principle ng absolute pressure. So, absolute pressure is atmospheric plus P gauge. May binigay na atmospheric pressure na 759 millimeters of mercury. So, 759 mmHg multiplied by 101.325 kilopascals over 760 mmHg. So, special conversion ng ating pressure. So, sa P1 pa lang yan, guys. Magpa-plus ka pa dyan. Ano ipa-plus mo dyan? Plus mo dyan yung 160 kilopascals. So, cancel out, cancel out. Yung T1 natin dyan is yung ating 30 degrees Celsius. So, 30 degrees Celsius plus 273 para maging Kelvin. Okay? So, sa kabilang side, ganun lang din. So, sa kabilang side, siguro guys, tanggalin ko na lang yung yung units. Kasi limited din yung space sa gilid. So, dyan is magiging 759 over 760 plus or rather multiply natin sa 101.325. So 101.325 yan. Tapos natin i-divide natin. So magpa-plus pa tayo. Plus natin yung P sub 2 kasi ngayon yung unknown natin, P sub 2. Okay? So, parang medyo confusing dito sa part na to. Ibaba ko na lang siguro. So, wait lang. So, itong sinulat na natin guys is yung sa side yan nito. Ito yan. Itong part na to. Okay? Yan yun. So, dito na tayo sa kabilang part. Lagyan ko na lang ng equal sign. So, may equal sign tayo dyan. So, sige. So, 759. O, lagyan ko na mmHg 101.325 kilopascals over 760 mmHg. And then, plus P sub 2. Yung unknown natin yung P sub 2. And then, syempre, i-divide mo siya sa 60 plus 273. So, 60 plus 273. So, pag sinip-solve mo yan, so, makukuha mo, yung P sub 2 is naka-gauge pressure na siya. Okay? So, P sub 2, magiging sagot natin dyan is 185.86. Unit niyan ay naka kilopascals. Kilopascals. Okay? So, yan yung ating sagot. So, natandaan nyo naman. So, dito, ginawa ko lang naman 759 times 101.325 over 760 plus 160 over 30 plus 273. Sa kabilang side, yung pangalawang equation natin, yung may equal sign. After the equal sign is 759 mmHg times 101.325 kilopascals over 760 mmHg plus P sub 2 over 60 plus 273. So, nag-shift solve tayo sa cycle natin, kaya makuha natin is 185.86 kilopascals. So, closest siya sa ating sagot sa letter B. Okay? So, now, proceed tayo guys sa ating problem number 5. So, sa problem number 5 natin, ating basahin, an ideal gas is 45 psig. So, pounds per square inch gauge and 80 degrees Fahrenheit is heated in a closed container to 130 degree Fahrenheit. What is the final pressure? So, simple lang naman yan. So, solution for this, again, hiningi is final pressure. So, closed container meaning volume is constant. So, V sub 1 is equals to V sub 2 or it is constant. So, again, going back, P sub 1 times B sub 1 over T sub 1 is equals to P sub 2 times B sub 2 over T sub 2. Cancel yung B sub 1 and B sub 2. And then, substitute natin. So, P sub 1 mo is 45 psig. And then, T sub 1 mo is 80 degree Fahrenheit. So, 80 degree Fahrenheit plus 460. Okay? And then, syempre, naka-gauge yung ating pressure. Ang hinihingi is final pressure. So, makikita nyo sa choices, naka-absolute. So, si gauge, dagdagan natin ng atmospheric. Kabilaan. Okay? O, hindi naman kabilaan kasi kung magpa-plus ka naman ng 14.7, matik naka-ano na yan. Yung P sub 2 mo, yung final pressure mo na unknown is naka absolute na siya. So 14.7 ipa-plus natin. Kasi yun yung atmospheric natin in terms ng PSI. So PSI. Okay? Yan. Equals to P sub 2 natin. P sub 2 over, syempre, yung ating T sub 2, 130 plus 460. Okay? So, ito, nakarankay naman na yan eh. Ito rin, nakarankay na rin yan. Cancel, cancel. Matira is PSIA. Kasi, PSIG plus PSI ng ating atmospheric. So, yung P sub 2 natin, pag sinip-solve mo yan sa calcu, ang lalabas sa sagot mo dyan ay 65.23 PSI na naka-absolute. So, PSI A. So, ang ating final answer for this problem. Problem number 5. So, dito siya sa letter B. So, for our last problem, proceed tayo. Problem number 6. A certain mass of gas having an initial pressure of 17,000 237 kilopascals, and an initial volume of 0.057 cubic meters is expanded isothermally to volume of 0.113 cubic meters. What is the work done by the gas in kilojoules? So, solution for this. So, solution, again, sabi dyan, isothermally. So, meaning to say, T sub 1 is T sub 2. So, isothermal process, constant temperature. So, again, T is equals to C. So, kung gagamitin mo siya sa equation natin, kung marirecall natin, meron tayong formula for work done by the gas in terms of isothermal, which is W is P1 V1 times the ln of V sub 2 over V sub 1. Okay, so ito yung gagamitin natin na equation para dyan. So, W, so P sub 1 natin, may binigay 17,237 kilopascals. So, yan ay magiging kilonewton per square meters. Okay? And then, yung ating V sub 1, initial volume is 0.057. So, yung 0.057 na yan, yan ay cubic meters. 0.057 cubic meters. Yan, 0.057 cubic meters. Okay? And then, ln ng ating V sub 2, yung V sub 2 natin is 0.113 cubic meters over V sub 1 natin na 0.057 cubic meters. So, siyempre, ratio yan. So, tanggal na yan, parehas. So, matitira sa'yo ay naka kilojoules. Bakit naka kilojoules? Kasi, cancel yung cancel yung 2 meters. So, yung matitira kang isa dito. So, kilonewton times meters is kilojoules. So, magiging final answer mo is naka kilojoules ka. Okay? So, pag sinipsolve mo yan, ang lalabas sa'yo is 672.37 kilojoules. Or, sa ating final answer, ay round off natin, magiging 672 lang siya. Or, makikita natin siya sa letter C. Okay? So, nawa, maliwanag sa inyo yung mga solutions natin na present sa kada problem in terms of past board exams ng ating ideal gas processes. So, makikita nyo naman dito yung mga present ko na concept at the same time, yung way of solving. So, nawa na-guess nyo siya and may apply nyo siya sa inyong upcoming na board exam or even exam sa schools ninyo. Okay? So, again, this is Engineer Jom Digia. Maraming salamat sa panonood and God bless us all.